Why do astronauts in the space station look as if they are floating? Many of you would say because there is no gravity, right? Wrong. Actually, the gravitational pull of the Earth on the space station is nearly as strong as it at the surface of the Earth. So you can't say that there is zero G acting on the astronauts. So how are the astronauts weightless? The surprising truth is that they are falling with the space station. So why doesn't the space station fall towards the Earth and end up crashing? After all, NASA doesn't launch satellites as if they are balls coming back crashing towards the Earth again. The reason is because the space station is having sideways velocity or curve velocity which ends up orbiting around the Earth in a circular pattern. The International Space Station is traveling at about 17,150 miles per hour or 7.66 kilometers per second, and this forward momentum keeps the astronauts in orbit despite being pulled towards the Earth. In space, astronauts and their spaceship still have mass and are still acted upon by Earth's gravity. It means they have weight. Even though Earth's gravitational force is smaller in orbit than it is on Earth's surface, however, they do not feel their own weight because nothing is pushing back on them. In essence, the ground has disappeared from beneath them and both the astronauts and spaceship are in a free fall. This free fall and weightlessness is the same thing. They are falling towards the earth at the acceleration of gravity, that is 9.8 meters per second square. One more thing. The work done by the gravitational force on the satellites and the space station is zero. This might seem perplexing when hearing the first time because the gravitational force is not zero on the space station. Gravitational force is acting on it. I'm not denying, but I'm talking about the force. I'm talking about the work done by gravity. To make it simple, the force of the earth on the satellite and the direction of motion are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, net work done is F.S.cos 90, which is equals to 0. That is the work done by force of gravity on a satellite moving around the earth, which is 0. Gravitational force on space stations and satellites is not 0, but the work done by gravitational force is 0. This same phenomena works for all artificial satellites and space station orbiting. To sum up things, the gravitational force is acting on the falling space station and weightless astronauts, but the work done by gravitational force is 0 because gravity and its displacement is perpendicular, meaning 0.